Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel MK Crypto. So today I am here with a new amazing project which name is Ichicoin. So today I'm gonna show you how we can generate a huge profit by playing different interesting games because this is a gaming project and their coin name is Ichicoin. So today, first of all, I give you a little introduction what is Ichicoin, and there we discuss their different detailed like roadmaps, right, tokenomics, and their marketplace also, and their social medias. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet with their site. So this is coming soon when it will launch. So you will easily connect your wallet with their site. So after this, you can also find out their detail on the Wikipedia. So here you can see that I opened Wikipedia ichicoin.com. So here you can also see there what is Ichicoin. We are anime and fantasy powered project that is both a token, NFT marketplace, and much more. We plan on incorporating our anime characters into not only our website NFTs but also games and eventually a fully animated series. We hope the community will be so inspired by our characters and their stories that we will be able to raise enough capital to fund an entire season of our animated show. So why should I invest my money in this project? What makes this many any different to the other? So 1000 meme coins out there promising huge gains. So great rewards, a wonderful community, and the amazing roadmaps. Unlike most other meme coins, we have an actual property backing our project that you can see and we can market. We are not a picture of a dog, moon, cat, pig, shark, save something, or Elon on a rocket like other project. We have actual star as part of our team working on our music and production of our project that are committed to it. We have an extensive amount of marketing opportunities available to us based on our enemy theme and that vibrant and wonderful community. So here you can also see their disclaimer, and if you want to see their tokenomics, you just need to go to Wikipedia and click on the tokenomics. So here you can also see the detail of their tokens. For each transaction, for transfer, buy or sell, there is a 12% fee, and the breakdown as follows. So 2% for the reflection back to holders, and 4% return to liquidity, 3% return to reward wallet, and 1% return to marketing wallet, and 2% is for return to enemy wallet. So you can also see that their token tax reduction is $1 million market cap 12%, and $20 million market cap is 10%, and 8% for that $40 million market cap, and 6% for 60 million market cap, and 4% is for 80 million market cap, and 2 million is 2% for the 100 million market cap. So if you want to see their other distribution of their token, so you can also see there they have a 5% for their private sale, 26% for whitelist sale, and 20% for pancake swap when it was when it is listing on the pancake swap. So you can just connect your wallet with your pancake swap, and you need to buy their tokens to earn a huge profit in future. So they have 16% for team tokens, and 4% marketing wallet, and 18% for reward wallet, and 4% for dev wallet, and 7% for enemy wallet. So they have also have their private sale. So they release 25% released at each end of each month, and they have members of the private sale will have their tokens vested over the course of 4 months. So for whitelist sale, members of the whitelist sale will be allowed to purchase 2 BNB worth of tokens, and these tokens will then be vested over the course of 4 weeks. So tokens reserved for liquidity in PancakeSwap. So these are tokens that are allocated to the team, and these wallets are locked for 30 days. So they have also their plans for marketing wallet. So they use to fund marketing for each coin. This includes paid advertisements, models, customs, music, and more. So for reward wallet, they have used to reward user in USDT, which can be claimed by airdrop. The rewards will be handed out twice per week. In order to receive reward, the user must hold at least one NFT. Reward are based on NFT holdings and your rank at the time of the rewards drop. So they have also planned for the dev wallet used for the maintenance of the Ichicoin tech stack. This includes the web servers, AWS, Cloudflare, paying developers, game developers, web developers, Solidity devs, and etc. So here you can also see their other disclaimer is mentioned here. So before purchasing, you need to read out carefully their disclaimer. So after this, we go back to their site. Here you can see their home page. So you need to connect your wallet. After connecting the wallet, so we discuss what is Ichicoin. We are anime fantasy powered project that is both a token, NFT marketplace, and much more. We plan on incorporating our anime characters into not only our website NFTs but also games and eventually a fully animated series. We hope the community will be so inspired by our characters and their stories that we will be able to raise enough capital to fund an entire season of our animated show. So after this is the Iseki Island anime series. You can also see their video. After seeing their video, their Iseki Island is our original fantasy themed anime series that we are looking to make. Once we reach our funding goal, we have a live tracker on our website showing our progress, so investors can see how soon we will be going into our full production. We have hired an amazing screenwriter who has begun writing our screenplays for the season, which will each be 10-30 minutes long episodes. Our incredible composer Raj Ramaya is already at work crafting more fabulous original music for our project, and the Ichicoin team are in contact with some of the biggest stars in all the anime to voice our lead characters, Chirami Lee and Morgan Berry and Kira Backland. So after this, you can also see their wallet tracker. The Iseki Battle Camp Play to Earn. Here is their game, and build up your army by buying NFTs and defend your castle or battle against the mythical creatures of the Iseki land. So after this, we discuss their feature. This is the automatic liquidity pool USDT Tether pairing. We are using a unique solution of USDT as a pairing for our Ichicoin token on PancakeSwap. 4% is split 50-50, half of which are sold by the contract, which is converted to USDT and paired with the remaining Ichiku tokens, then added as liquidity pair on PancakeSwap, allowing for a incremental increase in the price floor. So after this, you can also see that they have manual burns and anti-whaling, and they also have reward for their holders and the anti-dumping and the marketplace buying payback. So they also have guarantee for the buyback and marketplace. For each NFT purchase as or sell on the Ichicoin marketplace, a 2% maximum or 1% minimum fee is applied, which is split 50-50, half of which are used to purchase Ichicoin by the smart contract and paired with the remaining USDT. This is token added as a liquidity pair on PancakeSwap. So this is their tokenomics. We already discussed on the Wikipedia. So after this, here you can see that they have 2% for anime wallet. This all detail we already discussed on the Wikipedia also. So NFT tile system, you can also see their NFT tile system: Peasant, Squire, Knight, and the Grand Wizard. So in my every video I recommend you all, so if you want to invest or if you want to buy their NFT, so it is very necessary to follow their social media also. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.